Hello, amazing builders. RobotDiva here, ready to dive into the wonderful world of gears. Today, we're going to unlock a secret that every great robot builder knows: how to use gears to make your creations stronger or faster. So, what are gears? They're simply wheels with teeth that fit together. When one gear turns, it makes the other one turn too. The magic is that they can change how fast something spins or how strong it turns. Think about the gears on a bike. You use them to go fast on flat ground, or to get the strength you need to climb a steep hill. To really understand gears, let's learn a few key terms. First, there's the motor. It's the engine of our robot, turning electrical energy into motion. RPM, or revolutions per minute, tells us how fast that motor is spinning. And finally, torque is a fancy word for how strong the motor's turning force is. You can think of torque as the motor's muscle. Motors often give us a trade-off. They're either fast, but not very strong, or slow, but very strong. This is where gears save the day. If you use a small gear to drive a big gear, the big gear will turn slower, but it will have a lot more torque, or muscle, to do heavy work. If you do the opposite and use a big gear to drive a small gear, the small gear will spin much faster, but it won't be very strong. Let's put this into a real-world example. Imagine you're building a robot car and your motor spins super fast, but it's not strong enough to get your robot up a small hill. What do? You add gears. By using gears to slow down the speed, you trade that speed for strength. Suddenly, your robot has the torque it needs to climb that hill with ease. You've just customized your motor's power. Now for a quick bonus tip. We can describe this gear relationship with a gear ratio. If one gear has 10 teeth and the other has 30, that's a 3-to-1 ratio. This means the smaller gear has to spin 3 times for the bigger gear to spin just once. The result? Your speed is 1/3 its original speed, but your torque is tripled. Pretty neat, right? So, to sum it all up, gears are incredible tools that let you customize your motor's power. They let you trade speed for strength or strength for speed. The next time you're building a robot, remember to use gears to make it do exactly what you want. Thanks for building with me today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more RobotDiva tutorials, and I'll see you on the next project.